Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the access panel in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new access panel. This access panel is located at the rear of the refrigerator. It covers the machine compartment, allowing for proper air circulation over the compressor and the condenser coils. The main reason to replace the access panel is if it's torn or is missing. So we are at the back of the fridge, and to take out the access panel, we need to remove these all 1/4-inch screws. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, we're going to start doing that. And now we're going to pull it out. This is the old access panel next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I'm holding the new access panel and we're going to install it right now. I'm going to slide it in. The bottom goes into this chassis here, the bottom. I'm going to align the holes and install the screws. I'm using this 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to secure the panel. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.